Welcome to my health channel. In this video, I want to explain what happens when you wear the same underwear for so many days without changing it. What happens when you wear the same underwear for many days without changing it. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more healthy videos. First of all, underwears are clothes which people they wear so that they can cover their private part. Okay, so what happens now when you don't change the underwear for so many days and you don't change it regularly? Okay, the first thing which happens is you will get itching of the private part because underwear it is covered, so there will be a combination of sweat and there will be a combination of some bacteria, so will lead to itching of the skin. Okay, another problem which happens when you don't change the same when you don't change your underwear is it will lead to sores on the skin. High accumulation of bacteria inside there and also accumulation of sweat will lead to formation of sores in the skin. So make sure to change your underwear regularly. It's not just a matter of changing, but you need to wash your underwear and wear a clean underwear, not just changing an underwear without washing. So make sure to wash it to prevent formation of sores on the skin and also to prevent itching of the skin. Okay, another problem which happens when you don't change your underwear is may lead to UTI or urinary tract infection, because when you have underwear, it means that the formation will be some feces on the underwear. Also there will be some amount of urine there, so there will be a lot of bacteria, but the most common bacteria is E. coli. So there will be E. coli will ascend and will go to other places where it's not supposed to be there, so will lead to urinary tract infection. And you get urinary tract infection, it means that you'll be having pain during urination, so you need to get some antibiotics which will help to relieve that symptom. And example of antibiotics which we have nitrofurantoin, we have amoxiclav, and also we have methanamine. All those are examples of drugs which can help to relieve from that symptom. And also another thing which happens when you don't change the same, when you wear the same underwear for a period of time, is it may lead to vaginal infection, and the most infection is candidiasis, because there will be a combination of bacteria, there will be a combination of sweat, so there will be a favorable environment for yeast to grow. So you end up, for those female mostly, they'll end up getting candidiasis. So there will be moving some whitish discharge, there will be irritation around the vagina. So those are some of the complications. So when you get candidiasis, it means that you need to get antibiotics. You need to get antifungal medication. So antifungal medication will help to relieve from that symptom. So those are some of the complications or some of things which happen when you don't change, when you wear the same underwear for a long period of time. So make sure that you change your underwear, you wash it very well, and you wear it when it is clean and dry. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, and also don't forget to comment. Thank you.